Final time. Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. And I've got a bounteous pirate's booty for us to cook with tonight. Let's see what ingredients I've managed to up and away with. And, you know, maybe one for you. I am in the middle of filming Cooking Corner.
The service here is terrible.
3/4 of a teaspoon.
What are these measurements? A bowl, one bowl. And you're gonna need some sharp cheddar. Oh, that's sharp, be careful.
We try not to use the crock pot. Be careful, because you know, it's hot.
What's going on? What's that doing now? And bye-bye now.